In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do a plain reset button. Create a new Flash document. Create two layers. Call one button. Create another layer and call it object. Right. Go to frame 30 and select them. Press F5, then F7. Right, and now create a new blank frame at the beginning and end of object. Right, so create a square, rectangle I mean. Create a new blank frame, select that, right click, copy, go to the end frame, right click, paste in place. Now here, get the text tool and do play. Select it, right click, convert symbol, button, name it 1. Go to here, get the text tool and do reset. Select it, right click, convert symbol, name it 2, button. Right, now need them. Go to the first frame of object, click actions, do stop, open bracket, close bracket, end. I'll go to the end one and do the same, stop, open bracket, close bracket, end, and then close actions. Right, now go to the play button, select the play button, go right click, actions, and do on brackets, release, close brackets, start the in, and then put the out.